Hi everybody, Chris here again. I'm going to show you how to make these earrings today, and all you're going to need is 2 nuggets, a couple of little bead caps, 2 eye pins and 2 little shepherd hooks. So what we're going to do first is just make sure these pins are nice and straight. Just thread them on like that, and put your little bead cap on. So you need your round nose pliers now. Just pop your plier on like that and bend it across. Move your pliers round. I'm just going to twist that wire around, bringing that round. So just straightening your little loop up, and we're going to just get rid of that bit of wire there. So get your little flush cutters and snip that off. And then just make sure it's nicely tucked in, that little piece, no nasty edges. Just make it nice and straight. And that's your first one. So I'll show you again. Get your eye pin, make it nice and straight. Thread it on. Little bead cap on. And pliers. Oops. Bring that wire around. Just give it a twist. And get right round. And then we're just going to snip off that little bit of wire. Make sure there's no nasty bits. Bring that nice and straight. And there you have your other one. So then we get the little shepherd hook, and side that you can open, just give it a little bit of a twist. Pop on a little nugget and close it back together. Just push that little bit of wire back down. It will go down, just got to work it down. There we go. And then again, open this one up. Only enough to get your loop on, and close it again. and bring that back down again. There you go, and there you have them. Nice pair of earrings. Make a lovely gift. Anyway, that's all for today. I'll be back again shortly. So press the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And then when we next have a new video out, you can join us. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.